7 brain-boosting bromelains to eat for better reach memory and focus. In 2026, stop scrolling and do this with me right now. Try to remember what you had for breakfast 3 days ago. Can't remember? Don't worry, you're not alone. I used to walk into a room and completely forget why I went there. I'd grab my phone for something important, then suddenly find myself watching random videos 5 minutes later. That's when I discovered something shocking. Some of the foods we eat every day can either fuel our brains or slow them down. Today, I'm revealing 7 powerful foods that can help boost memory, sharpen focus, and keep your brain performing at its best in 2026. And trust me, the food at number 1 is considered by many experts to be one of the best brain foods on the planet. Let's get started. Number 7, pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with magnesium, zinc, iron, and antioxidants. Your brain needs these nutrients to stay sharp and focused. Most people ignore pumpkin seeds completely, but sometimes the smallest foods deliver the biggest benefits. Number 6, leafy green vegetables. I know what you're thinking. Vegetables, really? Yes, really. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens contain nutrients that help support memory and overall brain health. Think of them as protection for your brain's future. Number 5, dark chocolate. Now we're talking. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and natural compounds that may help improve alertness and concentration. That's right. Enjoying a little dark chocolate could actually give your brain a boost while satisfying your sweet tooth. Number 4, walnuts. Here's something interesting. Walnuts actually look like miniature brains. Coincidence or not, they're loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants that help support cognitive function. A handful of walnuts can be a smart snack for both your body and your mind. Number 3, eggs. We're getting into the heavy hitters now. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient your brain uses to support memory and learning. If you're trying to stay mentally sharp, eggs deserve a place on your plate. Simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful. Number 2, blueberries. These little berries are brain superheroes. They're packed with antioxidants that help protect brain cells from damage. Many people call blueberries brain food for a reason. They're small, but their impact can be huge. Before we get to number 1, tell me in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat regularly? And which one surprised you the most? Now let's reveal the champion. Number 1, fatty fish. If there is one food your brain absolutely loves, it's fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help support memory, learning, and overall brain performance. Think of omega-3s as premium fuel for your brain. The better the fuel, the better the performance. So there you have it. 7 brain-boosting foods that can help improve memory and focus in 2026. The best part? You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with just 1 or 2 of these foods and build from there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next health and wellness video. And don't forget to comment below. Which brain food are you adding to your diet first? Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.